Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely reset sync data from Microsoft servers in Edge and Windows 11. If you're facing issues with syncing in Microsoft Edge, such as bookmarks not updating, passwords missing, or extensions not syncing properly, resetting your sync data from Microsoft servers can often fix the problem. This process clears your stored sync data in the cloud and forces Edge to start fresh, thereby helping resolve persistent sync glitches. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Microsoft Edge app on your Windows PC. And then you have to hit the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and then choose the settings option. From the left sidebar, head to the profile section and then click on sync. Here you will see all the categories currently being synced, such as favorites, passwords, history, and more. Now you have to scroll down and look for the option labeled Reset Sync. Then you have to click on Reset Sync Data from Microsoft servers. Then you have to hit Reset Sync option. Now a confirmation prompt will appear explaining that this action will delete your sync data from Microsoft's servers but won't remove data from your current device. Now you have to confirm your choice to proceed. Once the reset is complete, it's a good idea to turn sync off and then back on again. This ensures your local data is uploaded cleanly to Microsoft's servers. Keep in mind that if you use Edge on multiple devices, they will need to sync again after the reset. So make sure you are signed in with the same Microsoft account across all devices to restore your data properly. Resetting sync data is a pretty simple yet effective way to fix stubborn syncing issues and get Microsoft Edge working smoothly again. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.